Good morning. I am Manimegala, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Center in Biotechnology Department, Arignar College, Arts and Science, Krishnagiri. Today my topic is cancer treatment and symptoms. Introduction. Cancer is the uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells anywhere in a body. Cancer cells. It is also called malignancy. Causative agents, chemical toxic component exposures, ionizing radiation, some pathogens. Most cancer forms tumors, but not all tumors are cancerous. The earliest documented descriptions of cancer, though not using the term cancer as we know it, appear in ancient like the Edwin Smith around 3000 BC, Greek physician Hippocrates around 400 BC to describe malignant tumors due to their appearance. He also proposed the theory of humoral imbalance to explain the disease. Cancer symptoms depends on the types. General symptoms are fatigue, weight loss, pain, skin changes, bleeding, cough, fever, and etc. Treatment: chemotherapy, radiation, like targeted therapy and immunotherapy also playing significant roles. General terms: benign non-cancerous tumor, malignant cancerous tumor. This picture: benign tumor and malignant tumor. Cells not cancerous and won't spread. Cells are cancerous and can spread to other tissues and organs. The most common cancers in men and women and children. Men: prostate, lung, colorectal; human: breast, lung, colorectal; children: leukemia, brain tumors, and lymphoma. Symptoms: most common types: breast cancer, breast hair, skin over the breast nipple and bleeding out the nipple; prostate cancer, difficulty with urination; basal cell cancer, patch on sun exposed area; melanoma, unusual growth or exiting mole; colon cancer, changes in bowel habits, change in stool, etc. Lung cancer include cough with a blood, chest pain, and etc. Leukemia, weight loss, and include fatigue. Carcinoma, benign in skin or in tissues that line the internal organs, skin, lung, colon, pancreas, and etc. Subtypes: adenocarcinoma, basal cell carcinoma, transitional cell carcinoma. Leukemia, benign in blood forming tissue, causes large number of abnormal blood cells and enters the blood. Ages: 0 to 5 and 14 to 18 and 90 to 40 and 60 plus. Subtypes: lymphoblastic leukemia, T cell leukemia. Myeloma, benign in plasma cells, types of blood cancer. Plasma cells are capable of producing various antibody. It can damage the bones, kidney, red blood cells count. Carcinoma, the most common type of cancer in humans, originating in epithelial cells that line organs and tissues, develop in the skin or in the cells that cover internal organs. The liver or kidneys carcinomas are abnormal cells that divide uncontrollable. Central nervous system cancers start with brain, tissue, and spinal cord. The brain controls the body by sending electrical messages along nerve fibers. Brain and spinal cord forms the central nervous system. Normal cell division and cancer cell divisions. Normal cell divisions, also known as cell replication, and a single cell divides into two or more daughter cells, growth and repair and reproduction in all living organisms. There are two types, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is responsible for creating identical copies of cells. Meiosis is involved in sexual reproduction gametes with the number of chromosomes. Cancer cell divisions is the differ from normal cell divisions due to uncontrolled growth and division, leading to tumor formation and potential metastasis. In rapid and continuous proliferations, less of control, mutations, angiogenesis, metastasis, chromosomal instability, and etc. Normal cells and cancer cells difference. Many cells that continue to grow and divide. Variation in size and shapes of cells, normal cell and cancer cells. Nucleus that is larger and darker than abnormal number of chromosomes arranged in a disorganized patient's cluster of cells without a boundary. Spread of cancer, primary and secondary cancer. The place where a cancer start in the body is called primary cancer. Located lungs, this are spread to other part of the body. This can form other tumors are known as secondary cancers. Located a large intestine, they can multiply to form a new tumors. Cancer stuck in small capillary. Capillary wall is one cell and thick, spread through the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is a network of tubes and glands in the body that filters body fluid and fight infections. Cancer cells go into lymph vessels and travel into nearby lymph glands and grow to form tumors in lymph nodes. Properties of cancer cells: it shows uncontrolled mitotic divisions due to uncontrolled growth. Tumor is formed. They are less adhesive than normal cells. They inhibit number of alterations, lack differentiation, and then they lose ability to communicate with other cells. They lost sensitivity, they lost addition molecules. It is an genetic disease, inherited cancer, and sporadic cancer. It can involve changes in gene expression, lack of contact inhibition, loss of limitations on the number of cell divisions, ability to grow in culture, angiogenesis. And differ from normal cells and cancerous cells. Positive growth factors and negative growth factors. There are two types are normal cells. Cells divide. Positive growth factors is more than cells are divided because of mitosis and meiosis process. Negative growth factors, uh, no divisions. Cancer cells, both negative or positive growth factor cells are divided. Thank you.